We are pleased to show you the 2025 Sierra 2500 HD. The GMC Sierra 2500 HD has all your workhorse basics covered. No worries here. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, hill descent control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel independent suspension, skid plates, four-wheel disc brakes. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.